When most people think of Stronghold, they think of industrial storage. Overbuilt, over-engineered, designed to last for decades. That's what we've always been known for. What we found recently is that customers are choosing Stronghold for more than just industrial applications. Garages, personal workspaces, hobby areas. When people want products that'll last forever and reflect a sense of pride and craftsmanship, they're choosing Stronghold. Today, we're in a customer's aircraft hangar where he spends much of his free time. When you look around, it's clear the quality matters to him, from the aircraft he owns to the way he maintains them. When it came time to choose storage, he was looking for something that wasn't ordinary. He was looking for storage that was built to last, that would look the part, and would make a statement about the level of quality he expects in everything he does in life. For him, Stronghold was the obvious choice. He outfitted the hangar with our 46-244 cabinet. With heavy-duty shelving and multiple drawers, it provides the storage capacity he needs for tools, parts, and maintenance supplies. Everything has its place, making the hangar cleaner, more organized, and more efficient. As his tool collection grew, he realized that traditional toolbox solutions weren't designed for the way he works. That's why he upgraded to our 60-inch modular drawer storage cabinet, giving him the durability and organization needed to keep his aircraft ready for the next flight. And because maintaining aircraft is as much about appearance as it is performance, our 12-gauge tool cart helps keep all of his cleaning and detailing supplies organized and within reach. Customers choose Stronghold because they want products that are built to perform, built to last, and built to make a statement. Choose Stronghold, America's favorite cabinet.